Hello, class. Today we will be talking about what is cyber terrorism. Simply put, it's the use of digital attacks to intimidate or coerce governments and populations. These attacks often serve political or ideological purposes. The Middle East is a hotspot due to ongoing conflicts and state sponsored cyber warfare. Several groups and nations are involved in cyber terrorism in the Middle East. Let's take a look at the main players. Terrorist groups like ISIS and Al Qaeda use cyber tools for propaganda, recruitment, and even cyber attacks. Methods of cyber terrorism: DDoS attacks, also known as distributed denial of service, is a method that floods a network, website, or online service with massive amounts of traffic, overwhelming the system and making it inaccessible to its users. Cyber terrorists use this tactic to disrupt government operations, media outlets, and financial institutions, causing economic and communication breakdowns. Ransomware, a type of malware that locks and encrypts files on a victim's computer, demanding a ransom for their release. Cyber terrorists use ransomware to extort money from governments, businesses, and critical infrastructure operators, often threatening to leak sensitive information if demands are not met. Identity theft. Stolen personal data, such as passports, bank details, and government credentials, can be used to commit fraud, gain unauthorized access to secure systems, or spread disinformation. Cyber terrorists exploit this method to manipulate political narratives, finance their operations, and impersonate officials for espionage purposes. Countermeasures and challenges. So, how are countries responding to these threats? Governments in the Middle East are ramping up their cybersecurity defenses. International collaboration, particularly between the US, Israel, and Gulf states. Cyber threats evolve rapidly, and nations must balance security with civil liberties. In conclusion, cyber terrorism is a growing threat that continues to evolve. As technology advances, so do cyber warfare tactics. The key to combating this issue lies in strong cybersecurity measures, international cooperation, and constant vigilance. That's all for today's presentation. Thanks for watching. Stay safe online, and I'll see you next time.